Divide 1105 rupees into A and B such that amount received by A after 6 years at 10% per annum is equal to amount received by B after 8 years at the same rate of interest. Find the amount of A and B. Here the principal amount 1105 rupees is given to A and B. Let us assume the principal got by A is equal to P1 and the principal received by B is P2. We know the formula that in amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by N whole power NT, where N is equal to 1 for annually. Here A has given the principal he received for 6 years and B has given the principal he received for 8 years interest. Let us work out the formula here. P1 into 1 plus R by 100 whole power 6. For B it is P2 into 1 plus R by 100 whole power 8. After certain years these two amounts will become equal. P1 into 1 plus R by 100 is equal to P2 into 1 plus R by 100 whole power 8. So let us bring the P2 this side. P1 by P2 is equal to 1 plus R by 100 whole power 8 divided by 1 plus R by 100 whole power 6, that equal to 1 plus R by 100 whole square. So P1 by P2 is equal to 1 plus 10 by 100 whole square. As it is given in the problem, rate of interest is given as 10%. So in place of R I am substituting 10. So it becomes 1 plus 10 by 100 whole square. So P1 by P2 is equal to 11 by 10 whole square. So P1 by P2 becomes 11 square, that is 121, and 10 square, that is 100. So it becomes 121 by 100. So here the P1 becomes 121 times, that is 121x, and P2 becomes 100 times, that is 100x. So total P1 plus P2 is given in the problem as 1105 rupees. Let's substitute this. 121x plus 100x is equal to 1105 rupees. So from this we will be getting x is equal to 1105 divided by 221, that equal to 5. So A is equal to 121x, that equal to 121 into 5, that equal to 605 rupees, and B is equal to 100x, that equal to 100 into 5, that equal to 500 rupees. This is the normal procedure. Let's see the shortcut. In the given problem, the rate of interest is given as 10%. So 10% is equal to 10 by 100, that equal to 1 by 10. Here I am taking the principal as one principal I am taking as 10 and the another one I am taking as 10 plus 1, that equal to 11. So here I am taking the two principals, one principal as 10 and the another principal as 10 plus 1, 11. So in the problem the 1105 rupees is divided between A and B as two principals. Here we will be getting the doubt to whom we have to give the higher principal. So here we have to remember the simple logic that the person who is giving the principal for lesser years will be getting the higher principal. I repeat, the person who is giving the the person who is giving the principal for lesser years will be getting the higher principal, so that after certain years the amount received by both will become the equal. So here if we see, the A is giving the principal for 6 years, he is giving, and B is giving for 8 years. So the A will be receiving higher principal. So I am giving 11 for A and B receives 10. And the difference between the years is 8 minus 6, that is 2. It becomes the power for the principals. The difference between the years is 8 minus 6, that is 2. That 2 becomes the powers for the principal. So here the principal of A becomes 121 times and B becomes 100 times. So A is equal to 121x, B is equal to 100x. So A plus B is equal to 1105 rupees. It is given in the problem. Let's substitute this. 121x plus 100x is equal to 1105 rupees. So x is equal to 1105 by 221, that is equal to 5. So principal amount received by A is equal to 121 into 5, that is equal to 605 rupees. Principal received by B is equal to 100 into 5, that is equal to 500 rupees. Let's see one more problem. Divide 17,000 rupees into A and B such that amount received by A after 15 years at amount received by A after 5 years at 50 by 3% per annum is equal to amount received by B after 7 years at the same rate of interest. Find the amount of A and B. Let's see the shortcut. Rate of interest is given as 50 by 3%. So 50 by 3% is equal to 50 by 300, that equal to 1 by 6. So the principal here becomes, one principal becomes 6 and the another principal becomes 6 plus 1, that is equal to 7. So this 17,000 rupees is divided between A and B. Here the A is giving the principal for 5 years. So here the A is giving for lesser years. He will be receiving higher principal. So I am giving here 7 for A and for B 6. The difference between the years, let's see, 7 minus 5 is 2. This 2 becomes the power for principals. So the A receiving the principal 7 square and B receiving the principal 6 square. So the total is 49 times for A and 36 times for B. A is equal to 49x, B is equal to 36x. So A plus B is equal to 17,000. It is given in the problem. 49x plus 36x is equal to 17,000. X is equal to 17,000 by 85. that equal to 200. So the principal of A is equal to 49x, that equal to 49 into 200, that becomes 7,800 rupees. Then the principal of B is equal to 36x, 36 into 200, that is equal to 7,200 rupees.